Instagram AI Trend Number 1, Instagram AI Photo Trend. Instagram has reached 1 billion users. With such a large user base, businesses and individuals are always following the Instagram AI trend to stand out and increase interaction. AI on Instagram helps people generate gorgeous photographs and videos and increase interaction. This post will explain Instagram AI photo trend, how to accomplish it, and the most popular AI technologies. Introduction. Those who want to share their images and videos with others now frequently visit Instagram. Also, people are finding creative ways to improve their material due to the increasing Instagram AI photo trend. Instagram users are employing AI to increase engagement and visual content, whether it be by creating immersive augmented reality filters or using AI-driven photo editing tools. This post will examine Instagram's AI trend in greater detail and demonstrate how to take advantage of it. What is the Instagram AI trend? People use artificial intelligence, AI, to make their Instagram images and videos look cooler. This entails utilizing AI-powered tools and special effects to enhance the appeal of their postings to other users. AI enables users to make their material more visually appealing and engaging for their following. Why new AI trend on Instagram is important? Being noticed on Instagram might be difficult due to the large user base. Instagram users now have the means to follow new AI trend on Instagram that might help them increase their interaction rates thanks to the AI trend. How to do AI trend on Instagram. If you're interested in trying out the AI trend on Instagram, here are some steps to follow. Step 1. Understand your audience and goals. Understanding your target demographic and your objectives is crucial before you begin using AI on Instagram. What kind of posts are popular with your audience, and what goals do you have for your Instagram account? Understanding your audience and objectives will help you select the best AI tools and produce content that appeals to your followers. Step 2. Choose the right AI tool for your needs. Users of Instagram can choose from a wide variety of AI technologies, each with unique advantages and disadvantages. While some products, like Lensa AI, specialize in improving portrait images, Prisma offers a wide range of artistic filters and effects. Choose the AI tool that best suits your needs and objectives after researching various AI technologies. Step 3. Use AI to enhance your photos and videos. It's time to begin utilizing the appropriate AI technology to improve your pictures and videos once you've made your selection. Many AI programs provide functions like background removal, automatic skin smoothing, and color tweaks, all of which can be used to follow Instagram AI photo trend. Step 4. Experiment with different AI effects and filters. When you are comfortable with the fundamentals of using AI on Instagram, you can begin experimenting with other effects and filters. Many AI features provide a range of choices, from delicate color tweaks to striking, artistic filters. Try out several effects and filters to see which ones suit your content and target audience the best. Lensa AI Art Generator App. Understanding Lensa, the Instagram AI photo trend. This section will focus on the Lensa AI trend, the newest Instagram AI photo trend that photo editing apps driven by artificial intelligence. We'll go through its features, how it functions, and how you can use it to produce gorgeous photographs for your feed. We will also give detailed lessons on how to use Lensa and make use of its sophisticated editing capabilities. Lensa AI Art Generator App. The photo editing program Lensa AI makes use of AI to improve portrait photographs. You may make amazing photographs on Instagram with the aid of Lensa AI's features, which include skin smoothing, teeth whitening, and eye brightening. Lensa AI Ownership Rights. Prisma Laboratories Incorporated created Lensa AI as a product. Thus, Prisma Labs Incorporated is the rightful proprietor of Lensa AI. Is Lensa AI avatar free? Their app's free edition, Lensa AI Avatar, comes with the essentials, like filters and photo editing. Nevertheless, their premium edition, which costs a membership, has the avatar feature. Lensa AI Magic Avatars. The Lensa AI app has a feature called Lensa AI Magic Avatars that enables users to design custom avatars that are produced using artificial intelligence. Based on an image of the user's face that is processed by the app's algorithms to build a digital representation of the individual, these avatars are produced. Users can select from a number of avatar designs from Lensa AI Magic Avatars, such as cartoon characters or realistic pictures, and alter their avatar's features, such as hair color, eye shape, and facial expression, using the Lensa AI Magic Avatars function. Once the avatar is made, it can be utilized in many various contexts, such as a social network profile photo or as a lighthearted method to interact with family and friends. Advantages of following Lensa AI trend on Instagram. There are several advantages to using the Lensa app for Instagram. 1. Improved photos. Lensa offers editing tools and filters to improve your images. Skin smoothing and color correction can make your images look more professional. 2. Distinctive avatars. As noted, Lensa lets you create individualized avatars using AI. This makes your Instagram profile more noticeable. 3. Time saving. Lensa's AI technology lets you edit photographs rapidly without manual tweaks. This saves time and lets you focus on Instagram content. 4. Artistic freedom. Lensa's filters, tools, and effects allow you to customize your images. This might make your Instagram page stand out. 5. User-friendly interface. Lensa's interface makes editing photographs and creating avatars easy for beginners. This saves time and stress, letting you focus on providing amazing content for your audience. Apps like Lensa AI, Prisma AI app. Popular software Prisma provides a selection of artificial intelligence, AI-powered artistic filters and effects. You can turn your images into works of art and produce breathtaking Instagram visuals with Prisma. Adobe Photoshop Camera. A brand new Adobe program called Adobe Photoshop Camera makes automatic adjustments to your images based on the setting and lighting. You may produce gorgeous Instagram images with the help of Adobe Photoshop Camera's capabilities like portrait relighting and sky replacement. Hype Type. You can add moving text overlays to your images and videos using the program Hype Type. Hype Type can assist you in producing Instagram content that is both visually beautiful and engaging thanks to its selection of fonts and animations. Quik app uses artificial intelligence to automatically edit your movies. With functions like automated speed changes and music syncing, Quik can assist you in quickly producing beautiful Instagram videos. Instagram AI photo trend. Like Lensa AI trend, there are many well-liked AI photo trend on Instagram in addition to the use of AI technologies to improve your photographs and videos. To name a few, augmented reality filters. Instagram users frequently employ augmented reality filters to add virtual objects to their images and videos. You may use augmented reality filters to make interesting and entertaining Instagram content, from virtual try-on filters to animal ear and nose filters. AI-powered photo editing. Another well-liked Instagram trend is AI-powered picture editing, which gives users intriguing new methods to enhance their photos. Artificial intelligence. AI-powered picture editing can help you produce breathtaking Instagram photos, from background removal to automatic skin smoothing. Virtual try-on. Fashion and cosmetics firms are embracing the trend of virtual try-on on Instagram. Users can view how a product looks on them before making a purchase using virtual try-on filters, which makes the purchasing process simpler and more practical. Conclusion. Instagram's AI trend is a fascinating and creative approach to producing interesting and aesthetically gorgeous content for the network. Instagram users may improve their photographs and videos, increase interaction, and stand out from the crowd by utilizing a number of AI tools and trends.